Hey guys, it's D here, and today we're headed to Ultimate Terrain motocross track in Markham. That's right, in Markham. A buddy of mine, Enrique Garcia, who is an absolute nut about motocross, arena cross, supercross, you know, whatever cross you can imagine, put together a deal with the Markham Fairgrounds to put a track right at the edge of Toronto. He built it in just under 4 weeks, himself, with a bobcat, working like a complete animal. This guy is the hardest, the most focused guy I know, and I'm super excited to be going up to his track on opening weekend. Now, it opened up Saturday. Today's Monday of the long weekend. It poured and rained for the last 2 days, but the track is open. He's got it cleaned up. I'm sure it'll be messy, but it's still a track in Toronto that we get to ride, and it's super close. I am incredibly excited. I'm gonna show you all around the track, take a look at the different features that are already there. Keep in mind, more are coming. For instance, he's building a whole enduro section for us enduro riders to practice going over logs, tractor tires, you know, every kind of obstacle you can imagine, and make sure you visit him. So it's Ultimate Terrain on McCowan Road, basically the Markham Fairgrounds. You look tired, like you haven't slept for 3 days.
I haven't.
I could imagine.
First day, 40 hours awake.
Yeah? That's awesome though. Everything's going good?
Everything's going good.
That's good, man.
Weather.
Yeah, too bad it rained a lot. You had a lot of work on the track, yeah? You look like you had a lot of work on the track.
Dusty day. The first day was very dusty.
Yeah?
Now it's better. It's a little bit muddy, but
It's all right. Good. So I gotta go check in there. So we're registered, paid, and we're ready to go. It's super fucking muddy. at Ultimate Terrain. Standing here beside one of the tabletops. The track is super muddy because it rained and poured yesterday. And it's still raining. But as you can see, there's guys on the track, and these guys enjoy themselves. It's amazing to have this track right outside of Markham. Actually, I guess it is in Markham, just outside GTA. And we're loving it. So come on out, enjoy some motorbiking, get some laps in, and now you don't have an excuse not to ride.